Have you ever spun around until you got dizzy or watched a bicycle wheel whiz by? Spinning is everywhere, from toy tops and ballerinas to the blades of a fan. Rotation is a basic way things move in our world. We use spinning in washing machines, blenders, playground rides, and pottery wheels. It's both fun and useful. But spinning isn't just an earthly thing, it's happening on a cosmic scale too. The spinning we see every day is just a glimpse into a universe in constant motion. So, let's journey from spinning tops to spinning galaxies and discover how this simple motion connects everything in the cosmos. Science is cool. Let's find out why everything in the universe is spinning. Look up. When you gaze at the night sky, you're witnessing a grand cosmic dance that's been going on for billions of years. The sun, moon, and stars seem to glide across the sky, but it's actually Earth spinning beneath our feet. This rotation gives us the rhythm of day and night, sunrise and sunset, every single day. Our planet is like a giant spinning top, turning once every 24 hours. Even though we're moving at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator, we barely feel a thing. It's a silent, steady motion that shapes our lives, but Earth isn't alone. Every planet in our solar system spins, each at its own pace. Jupiter, the largest planet, spins so quickly that its day lasts less than 10 hours. Even the Sun, a massive ball of burning gas, rotates, taking about 27 days to complete a turn at its equator. Beyond our solar system, all stars spin too. Some, like pulsars, are the universe's ultimate speedsters, whirling hundreds of times per second, sending out beams of energy like cosmic lighthouses. All these stars, including our Sun, are part of the Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy itself spins majestically, taking about 230 million years to make a single rotation. A colossal pinwheel of hundreds of billions of stars. Everywhere we look, from tiny planets to vast galaxies, spinning is a universal rule. It's a pattern woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. This cosmic motion isn't random. It's a vital clue to how the universe works. Scientists study these rotations to understand gravity, the birth of stars, and the evolution of galaxies. By unraveling why everything spins, we unlock secrets about the forces that shaped our universe, from its earliest moments to the present day. So, where did all this spinning begin? Let's journey back to the dawn of time and discover the origins of the universe's endless carousel. To truly understand why so much in our universe spins, we have to journey all the way back to the very beginning, the moment of the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. This was the birth of everything: space, time, matter, and energy. The universe began as an unimaginably tiny, hot, and dense point, smaller than an atom. Then, in a fraction of a second, it exploded outward in a spectacular, chaotic burst, rapidly expanding and cooling as it went. But this explosion wasn't neat or orderly. Instead, it was full of swirling, tumbling, and random motions. Imagine the way milk twists and curls as it's poured into a cup of tea, or how clouds billow and churn in a stormy sky. These tiny, chaotic spins and eddies in the early universe became the seeds of all the rotation we see today, from the smallest dust grains to the largest galaxies. As the universe continued to expand and cool, gravity began to pull clumps of gas and dust together. Each clump carried its own bit of spin, inherited from those early swirling motions. When these clumps collided and merged, their spins combined and amplified, making them rotate even faster. Just like a figure skater who spins faster by pulling in their arms, conserving their angular momentum. This principle is called the conservation of angular momentum. Once something starts spinning, it keeps spinning unless an outside force acts to slow it down or stop it. In the vast emptiness of space, there's almost nothing to slow things down. That means those ancient spins from the dawn of time have stuck around for billions of years. So, the Big Bang didn't just create all the matter and energy in the universe, it also set the entire cosmos spinning, a cosmic dance that continues to this day. Let's embark on a journey through some of the universe's most astonishing spinning objects, where motion shapes the very fabric of the cosmos. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, spinning is a universal language written across the stars. Our own planet, Earth, spins on its axis, giving us the familiar rhythm of day and night, a 24-hour cycle that governs life. But Earth's spin is just the beginning. Other planets in our solar system have spins that are even more extreme and surprising. Take Venus, for example. It spins incredibly slowly, and in the opposite direction to most planets, making a single day on Venus longer than its year. Uranus, on the other hand, is tipped over so far that it essentially rolls around the sun on its side, creating bizarre seasons and a truly unique rotation. When massive stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in spectacular supernovas and can collapse into neutron stars. These are tiny, super dense remnants that can spin hundreds of times per second, faster than a kitchen blender. As they spin, they send out beams of energy like cosmic lighthouses, sweeping across space and creating pulses we can detect from Earth. Our sun, a massive ball of burning gas, is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, each with its own spin and story. The entire Milky Way itself is spinning, its spiral arms sweeping through space in a majestic cosmic dance. Our solar system rides along, taking about 230 million years to make a single orbit around the galaxy's center, a journey older than the dinosaurs. And beyond our galaxy, there are billions of others, each a swirling collection of stars, gas, and dust. Some galaxies spin like elegant pinwheels, while others are shaped more like fuzzy footballs, each with its own unique rotation and history. Even clusters of galaxies, vast families of galaxies bound together by gravity, can rotate together on a scale that boggles the mind. At every level, from spinning planets to whirling galaxies and beyond, rotation is a fundamental feature of our universe. This endless motion traces back to the universe's energetic birth in the Big Bang and is governed by the unchanging laws of physics that shape everything we see. The universe is a dynamic, whirling place, full of wonders, mysteries, and endless motion, inviting us to keep exploring its spinning secrets. Why do things keep spinning? It's all thanks to the conservation of angular momentum. Think of an ice skater. Arms out, they spin slowly. Arms in, they spin faster. No extra push needed. In space, with almost no friction, once something starts spinning, it keeps going for billions of years. Our solar system began as a slowly spinning cloud of gas and dust. As gravity pulled it together, it spun faster, forming the sun and a spinning disk where planets formed. That's why planets orbit in the same direction and plane, leftover spin from the original cloud. The universe recycles motion. No spin ever goes to waste. Spinning is built into the very fabric of how things form. Spinning doesn't just happen, it keeps things stable. A stationary bike falls over, but spinning wheels help you balance. That's gyroscopic stability. Earth's spin acts like a giant gyroscope, keeping its axis steady and giving us predictable seasons. Spinning also shapes planets. Earth bulges at the equator, and fast-spinning planets like Jupiter are even more squashed. The sun's spin generates its magnetic field, creating a protective bubble around our solar system. For galaxies, spin and gravity create beautiful spiral arms where new stars are born. Spinning isn't just leftover motion, it actively shapes and stabilizes the universe. From planets to stars to galaxies, spin is essential for order and balance. The universe's twirl is what keeps it all together. Spinning is everywhere, from tiny particles to giant galaxies. It all began with the Big Bang's random motions, magnified by gravity into the spinning stars and galaxies we see today. Angular momentum is conserved, so things that start spinning keep spinning. This universal spin shapes everything. Stars, planets, galaxies, and even the possibility of life. Next time you see something spin, remember, you're connected to the cosmos by this simple motion. You're on a spinning planet, orbiting a spinning star, inside a spinning galaxy. The universe is always moving, always spinning, and now you know why. Science lets us see these connections, from playgrounds to the stars.